Hello students, the CBSE has reduced and revised for class 10th English due to the ongoing situation arisen from COVID-19. The CBSE has almost reduced 30% of the syllabus in English and other subjects for the effective assessment of students. So today in this video I'll be giving you the details of the English revised syllabus and paper pattern for class 10. In the description box, I have also given the link of class 10 English Language and Literature revised syllabus for the academic year 2020-21. Just go through it. So let's start now. So you need to understand this first. This is very important that this year the question paper of English has been divided into two parts, part A and part B. Part A will be your MCQ or answer in one word or one sentence. So let's see part A first. So in part A we have first reading section, which will be of your 20 marks weightage. So the first part of the reading section MCQs will be asked based on a discursive passage with 400 to 450 words. Total 12 questions will be there and you need to answer only 10 questions. Each question will be of 1 mark and total weightage is 10 marks. Now the second question of your reading section will be based on case-based factual passage of 300 to 350 words. Here also you have to attempt 10 MCQs out of 12 given questions and each question will be of 1 mark and total weightage is 10 marks. So 20 marks weightage in reading part. Next, from literature textbook 10 marks MCQs questions will come. In this you will get 2 extracts out of which you have to attempt any one extract. This extract will come either from your drama or prose. Here 5 objective questions will come of 1 mark each. So here weightage will be of 5 marks. In the next question, you will be asked to extract again, but this time this extract will come from poetry. Here too you have to attempt any one out of this 2 extract. Here 5 questions will be asked, each 1 mark. Total weightage will be 5 marks. So all total in the literature textbook MCQs will be of 10 marks. Now we will see part A, third part, that is grammar part, and its weightage will be of 10 marks. Here from 12 MCQs you have to attempt any 10 questions. Now let's see from where these questions will be based. Let us see the syllabus of grammar here. Your MCQs will be asked based on tenses, modals, subject verb concord, reported speech, commands and requests, statements, questions and determiners. Now your deleted portion this time will be use of passive voice, clauses and prepositions. No MCQs will be asked from these topics. You have to prepare only the first part of the grammar portion that I have discussed. Okay. Now let us see part B of the paper, which is based on subjective questions and its weightage is of 40 marks. Now let's see what type of questions will be asked in this section. Here the questions will be asked based on writing. So the very first question of this part will be formal letter writing. You will be asked 2 questions out of which you need to answer any one. The word limit of this will be within 100 to 120 words. The weightage of this will be of 5 marks. Next again you have to write analytical paragraph in 100 to 120 words. Here also you will be given 2 questions and you need to give the answer of any one out of these 2 questions. And again here also the total weightage of 5 marks. So the total weightage for writing part will be of 10 marks. Then there is literature section for 30 marks. In literature, you will be asked 6 short answer type questions in 20 to 30 words. Here 3 questions will be asked from first flight and you need to attempt any 2 out of these 3. Similarly, 3 questions again you will be asked from footprints without feet and you need to attempt any 2 out of this. Each question carries 2 marks, means total weightage will be of 8 marks. Now the next question, you have to attempt 4 out of given 6 short answer type questions in 40 to 50 words. Again, you will be asked 3 questions from both the books and out of these 3 questions you have to attempt any 2 and each question will carry 3 marks. So total weightage will be of 12 marks. The next question will be asked from first flight. These questions will be of long answer type question. You will be given 2 questions out of which you have to attempt any one. The word limit will be 100 to 120 words and its weightage will be of 5 marks. Next question is also of long answer type question and here 2 questions will be asked from footprints without feet and you have to attempt any one out of these 2 questions and so weightage here is 5 marks and the word limit is again 100 to 120 words. I hope now you are clear with your new paper pattern for the academic session 2021. If you have any doubt, do share in the comment box. Now here let me brief you the deleted chapters of First Flight, How to Tell Wild Animals, Trees, Fog, Midgebill the Otter for Anne Gregory. These chapters got deleted. Now the deleted chapters from Footprints Without Feet, you can see here the Midnight Visitor, The Question of Trust, The Book That Saved the Earth. So students, that's all for today's video. Well, if you really liked the video, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.